Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 11 bad sound quality problem. So to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. First one, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot, and here Other Troubleshooters. Run on Playing Audio and follow the instruction which you see in this dialog box. So this is the first method, and if you don't have enhancement tab, so search device manager, open device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controller. Right click on Realtek Audio, update driver, browse my computer and select here let me pick from a list of available. Now here click on show compatible hardware. So in this list guys, if you have selected any another service, so here select Realtek and model. Select this first one, Realtek Audio. Then click on next. Click on yes. Now wait for a few seconds. And once this complete, restart your system.